Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for startups. Notion offers an incredibly versatile and powerful workspace, perfect for the dynamic environment of a startup. To begin, simply create a new workspace and invite your entire team. You can then leverage Notion's extensive library of pre-built templates, designed for common startup needs like product roadmaps or content calendars. Customize these pages and databases to perfectly align with your unique operational workflows, ensuring a tailored experience from day one. Next, let's dive into project and task management, a critical area for any growing startup. Notion allows you to track projects using flexible Kanban boards, offering a visual overview or detailed timeline views for a more structured approach. You can easily assign tasks to specific team members and establish clear due dates, ensuring accountability. Link related databases for seamless information flow across all your projects, and continuously monitor progress to quickly identify any potential bottlenecks, keeping your team on track. Beyond projects, Notion excels as a centralized hub for your startup's knowledge and customer relations. You can build a comprehensive knowledge base for all company documentation, making information easily accessible to everyone. Manage customer relationships effectively by creating a simple CRM database, tracking interactions and leads. Furthermore, onboard new hires smoothly using dedicated human resources templates, and securely store important company policies and essential resources, ensuring everything is organized and readily available. Finally, Notion truly shines in fostering collaboration and supporting your startup's growth. You can easily share pages and databases with precise permission settings, ensuring everyone has the right access. Team members can comment directly on tasks and documents, facilitating efficient real-time feedback and discussions. Notion also integrates with over 100 other essential tools, enhancing your overall productivity. This platform is designed to scale seamlessly with your startup's evolving needs, providing a flexible foundation for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.